just playing around with this new card. I believe some of you have been seeing a lot of videos on them. Fantastic stuff done by the guys. Here, I just use the normal one, use a normal background image I created with PowerPoint. Brought in the icon. Here, I use the sparklines from Colosco. Fantastic stuff done by Colosco. That's Kerry Colosco. And here, I use the new line type, that is a smooth one, and also the data label, the offset option of data label. Here I use the icon just to try something and see if that will work. Okay, so guys, let's get started. I'll open a new Power BI desktop. I'll go to help. I use the sample data from here. So already I've loaded it, so you just click load sample data and you have it here. Okay, so I have my data here, which is financials, and then I created some measures. So if you go here, cost of goods sold, sum of cost of goods sold, the same thing applies to discount, same applies to gross sales, and then same with profit. Okay, so let me bring in my new card. Now I have the new card here. It is reading card new. So you select it. Let me drag it to this side, reduce it a bit. Okay, so the first one, gross sales. The second one, discount, cost of goods sold, profit. Okay, so I want to bring in the image. I just created some small image from PowerPoint. This is what I use, just blue gradient. So here, I'll just come to the formatting stuff. I'll go to cards, make sure I select all, go to fill, select the background, card 1. Okay, so now let's change the values colors. So I'll go to call out. Here, let me just change the size to 35. Select this, make it white. I'll go to label, also select it and make it white. I want this to be centered before I bring in my icons. Okay, so now let's work with the icons. The first one I want to bring, I'll use gross sales. I'll go to image, which is somewhere here. I'll browse. So for that one is gross sales. So let's just use this for sales. Now the icon is there. I don't want to use the auto. Let me use 100 and see. Okay. Then I'll do the same thing for discount. I have the image here. Discount. I'll make it 100. Here you can even select whether you want it left, you want it right, or you want it bottom. So I'll maintain the right. Then I'll do the same thing for cost of goods sold. So here, cost of goods sold, I have cost here. $100. And the last one is discount. So I'll go to image. No, sorry, that's not discount. So let me put discount back. And the last one is profit. So I'll select profit. I'll go here, select profit. I got this image from icons 8. Here, let me show you where I got the images from. This. You go there, you get a lot of images. Okay, so for profit, I have that. Then I'll make this 100. Okay, so this is it. Very nice, cool. Now the next one to do is this. So let me bring in another card. New card. So gross sales, discount, cost of goods sold, profit. Let me drag it a bit up, bring it down. Okay, so let me look at it here. Okay, so here I'll go and bring the sparkline from Kerry Colosco website. So this is the website here. Where you go there, you just go to template, go to SVG template. So I have that here. So this is the one I want to use first. I have it here already open in new tab. Okay, so the area, so sparkline, this is the one I need. So I'll look at it, I'll just copy it, go down here, not this, it's this rather. So I'll create another measure for gross total. I'll put it down here. So what I need to do is I want to differentiate it. So this will be gross sales, area sparkline. So now we have gross sales, not some gross sales. So you can just take it out. Same thing applies to this. Okay, so here I don't want to use this condition. Just bring it on. Okay, so this is what I have. You can even change the color. This is still blue. You can change it anytime you want. Okay, so we have one for gross sales, area sparkline. So let me use that and let's see how it will look like. So I'll select this, go here in the card, I select gross sales, then I go to image. In image, what I have to do is to select image URL. I'll go here, it's field value, I'll go here, gross sales area sparkline, and then I click OK. Now sometimes you do this and you don't see it. Don't panic, go to size and then change it to maybe 140. Let's say I want it to be 240, and then I want it to come down. So position button. So we have it here. I can reduce it to 200. Let me drag this a bit down. So this is what we have. Very nice. 240. Okay, so that it goes all the way to the other side. That's fine. Okay, so I'll do the same thing for discount and the rest. So quickly, let's just copy what we have here for area sparkline. So let me go to this, copy all, create new measure. So this time, this is going to be discount. So for this, it's changed to discount. This is changed to discount. And then here we have discount as well. Okay, so let me save this. Copy, new measure. This is going to be for cost of goods sold, COGS. I can copy it, bring it to replace discount. Down here, same thing for this. You can put this in Notepad and replace, set and replace, that's fine. And the next one is to bring in the profit. So let me do another one. Sorry, let me put is equal to 0. Then go and copy it. Let me go back to this, copy it, new measure, then this will be profit. So here we have profit that we created, we have profit. Here also we have profit. Okay, so this is also done. Then let's quickly use them. So in discount, I'll go back here in the card. I'll make sure I select discount, select image URL, go here and select discount area sparkline. Here we make it 240 and then it should be bottom. I'll do the same thing for cost of goods sold, image URL, select cost of goods sold. Here 240, then bottom. The last one is profit. I go here, image URL. So we have profit. I click OK. We go here 240 and then bottom. So this is not bad. Okay, so the next one is to do something like this, kind of lollipops and other stuff. All this you still get it from the same website, Coloscope website. Okay, so let's go. Bring a new card. It's here. Let me reduce this a bit. New card is here, and we'll do the same thing. So number one, gross sales, discount, cost of goods sold, profit. Okay, so when you look at this, for example, this is what we use. So when you go here, you go down. So the second one is the second one. So we copy. I can just open my Notepad++. We look for sum of gross sales. We replace with gross sales. Okay, so this will be gross sales sparkline. So I'll create another measure. Call this gross sales sparkline. So gross sales sparkline. I'll go and see if there is any collision down there. So this is fine. So I'll select this for gross sales. So we follow the same process, same steps. So here I'll select gross sales. I'll go to image URL, then gross sales sparkline points. Then we go down here, maybe 200, bring it bottom, so maybe 200. So this is it. Okay, so I'll do another one. I think this is lollipop. So let me go here, check lollipop. This is it. So we use, that's the first one. I'll select it quickly. I can go here. That one is going to be used for discount. So replace quickly. Discount. Replace all. So here I can just type discount lollipop. Like this. So select all. Sorry, I think my discount is small, okay, just to be sure. Okay, so copy, bring it here, new measure. So we have this for discount. Okay, so let me quickly go here, same step. image URL for discount. Discount lollipop. Click OK. Give it 200 and then put it down. Okay, so cost of goods sold, I think I used the other one. There's this one that I use for cost of goods sold. Maybe we go and check again. There is this other one I'm noticing. It should be with the lollipop stuff. Okay, so let me just copy it from here. So it's for cost of goods sold. It's actually on that side, so let me go ahead and create it from here. Mind you, you can go in and make some changes. So cost of goods sold, square lollipop. Yeah, this is square lollipop. Yeah, so this is also okay. So quickly I go here. I need to make sure this is selected. Image URL. Square lollipop, yes. And here 200. Then we can put it down there. Then for profit, what did I use? For profit, I use this. Okay, so for profit, we can go back to the website. Yeah, so for profit, I use this, one of this. So we can copy this. I'll go here, select up, paste. Copy. Let me be sure what I use for my profit. So it's capital. Select all, come here, new measure. Okay, so here I'll just go back here, select profit, image URL, go down here and select this. $200, then bottom. Okay, very good. Now let's play with our line chart. So I'll bring the line chart quickly. I'll select the gross sales. I'll select the month, but I'll make sure the month is sorted by month number. Okay, so then I'll select month. Okay, so now I want to change the line type. I'll go to lines. I'll change it to smooth. I'll give it data labels. sorry, data labels. And then here, this is what I was talking about, this, something like this. I forgot to change this back to smooth, you see. Okay, sorry, this should yeah, okay, so we select the leader lines, so you can see this is not bad. Okay, so the last one is this icon here. So let's just say I want it to be dashboard. Then to get the icon, just press the Windows key, dot. Then you have any icon you want, just select it. This is okay. So I was just playing around with this and decided to share with you. One last thing, maybe just to change the shape, you can change the shape. You select rounded rectangle, you go here, you can customize the star. You say okay, top left corner you want it this way, and then the bottom right corner you want it this way. Not bad. Okay, thank you so much.